Disclaimer: as of Nulla version 0.09, this project uses a significant amount of VRAM. Furthermore, it only runs on NVIDIA 50 series GPUs. The GPUs I have tested are the RTX 5060 Ti 16GB and RTX 5070 Ti 16GB. It should also work on the RTX 5080 16GB and RTX 5090 32GB. GPUs with less than 16GB of VRAM may not have enough memory to run Nulla. The first thing you're going to want to do is install Python, specifically Python 3.11.6. Go to python.org/downloads, scroll down to specific release. Look for Python 3.11.6. Click on it. Scroll down and click on Windows Installer 64-bit. Run the exe. After the installer window pops up, click on Install Now. Click Yes on the pop-up. Once it's done, click on Close. It's time to install Nulla. Go to github.com/tsoxer/Nulla. Scroll all the way down. At the section that says Quick Start, click the copy icon. Next, open up PowerShell. Right-click the terminal to paste it in. Wait for it to finish downloading and installing. And it's done. That took just under 19 minutes. To access the folder where Nulla is installed, click on File Explorer. Go to your Windows C drive. Click on Users. Click on Public. Here, you should see a folder named Nulla. Click on it. Go to Nulla_source. Double-click the batch file to start Nulla. The initial boot should take roughly 2 to 3 minutes. While you're waiting, you can copy and paste a shortcut to the batch file onto your desktop if you want. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Nulla. When this sound plays, it means Nulla is ready to be used. The initial first response may take a moment.
Hello. How are you today? That's nice to hear. Just enjoying a quiet day. Get ready to dive into a fun game of ping pong. Control your paddle with the left and right arrows or A and D keys. Show those balls who's boss.
It is possible to change the initial install location of Nulla to something other than the public folder under Users. Simply open Notepad and paste a code block. Create a folder, for example, on your desktop. Double-click the folder. Click the address bar at the top. Copy the folder path with Ctrl+C. Go back to Notepad. Replace the part that says users/public/Nulla with the folder path you copied using Ctrl+V. Select everything in Notepad using Ctrl+A, then copy it with Ctrl+C. Go back to PowerShell, paste it in. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a lovely day.